After reading that really cool story, I am excited to try and solve some of the word problems from the story. So I chose this one. It's a different one than the ones on the math slide so that I could show you how I turn this word problem into an array, kind of like what we practiced last week. And then you're going to go into it with all the other word problems from your other slide. So I saw 3 little kids. Each kid rode a tricycle. Each tricycle had 3 wheels. And then the question was, how many wheels were there in all? So we know when we hear in all, usually we're adding things together, but when we have groups of things, like groups of wheels, we can use multiplication too, or repeated addition. And we can use an array to help us solve that. So I decided to draw some tricycles here, just to show you how I can turn this drawing into an array. Instead of having to do this, I can just do an array. It makes it super easy. So here you can see I have a group, one group of 3 wheels, 2 groups of 3 wheels, 3 groups of 3 wheels, okay? Here's a group, here's a group, here's a group. So I could use repeated addition to solve this. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals, and then tell my answer. But I don't want you to have to draw pictures like this, because in math, right, we want to be able to draw simple pictures that can help us figure out the problem quickly. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if there was 3 groups of 3 wheels, right, 3 tricycles, so I'm going to do 3 going down, because that's going to lead me to my 3 rows. Remember, rows go side by side. So we do this, we draw 3 going down, and it's the first one in each row. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that. Let me draw it again. So I have 3 groups, so I'm going to draw 3 going down. And then I have 3 wheels in each group. So each row gets 3 circles. And now I have my array to help me solve this problem. 3 little kids rode a tricycle, okay? Each tricycle had 3 wheels, and my array is done. Now I can use repeated addition or multiplication. I'm going to do both. So how many in the first row? 3. Plus how many in the second row? 3. Plus how many in the third row? 3 equals, well, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 3 is 9. Or I can do multiplication. How many rows? 1, 2, 3 times how many in each row? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. Because I know that from my repeated addition. Okay, have fun solving those super cool word problems today.